It's noon. Got 3 hours of beauty rest. Man, it's been a while since I've seen any action. I wonder if any of the old gang needs their butts saved today. So Thor's bringing the thunder as usual, but what are his odds of doing it solo? I'll bet a 62% chance of... Scratch that. Hulk. Nah, he's sitting at a 96% smash probability. Hawkeye definitely needs our help.
Have you noticed how often you lose your bets with yourself? If I were keeping track, I believe you'd owe yourself $15 million.
Don't worry, Jarvis. I'm good for every digital penny.
You could just contact them, sir.
No. We broke up the band for a reason, and like I predicted, Earth is doing just fine without the Avengers. It's just that... That can't be right. Captain America can handle a bunch of Hydra losers with one arm and a rolled-up newspaper. Red Skull. He's long dead.
Satellites confirm a match of body telemetry. It is him, sir.
Upload those coordinates into my navigation and keep my eggs warm. Skull busting makes me hungry.
New toys, same old Hydra. Sorry you came all the way back from the dead to chalk up another loss, Skull.
Perhaps. Perhaps not.
Just a few more seconds, Cap. I got your back. Cap!
Iron Man has a heart after all.
Drop the shield, you animal!
I think not. Consider it a symbol of a new dawn. And your demise.
Jarvis, give me a free-play simulation now.
Free-play simulation.
Scans show their tech is hardwired with central nervous systems. Hydra's never been that advanced. What happened to my free-play sims, Jarvis?
Already ahead of you, sir. As usual.
Those guys are gonna wake up with a headache.
Armor breached. System failure.
You're just a fool in a machine, Stark. Without your technology, you have nothing. No instinct for battle. No fire to lead. You hide behind armor so you don't have to make sacrifices for victory.
Power is at 20%, sir. And you have no problem teleporting in.
Let me show you.
Won't this be fun?
MODOK, since when does he team up?
MODOK has graciously upgraded my army. As you're well aware, his technopathic abilities work wonders with machines. Even your machines, Herr Stark. Enjoy your final, painful moments on Earth.
We got what we came for, Skull.
Cap. Jarvis, activate the Avengers protocol.